doing his own thing, Boo.
Tony doing his own thing, Mom.
All right. 3 cheers for Rideau! Hip, hip, hooray! Hip, hip, hooray! Hip, hip, hooray!
What's that? You're gonna leave it with me? Okay. You get in the boat? Okay. Who's your friend that's helping you, Tom? Ah, he's very nice to you. The first thing Tommy did was dump.
What?
He dumped fairly promptly. Okay, there goes Drew. There he goes. I don't know where he's heading, but...
Make sure my boat doesn't fly away.
Yeah, there goes Paul. He has no idea what he's doing.
Chasing the pirate ship.
Good luck, Paul.
Thanks.
Oh, there's Paul.
And we are so happy to have so many of you come and join us today for this very momentous occasion. To get this event started, I'm going to ask our partners who got this class.
3 cheers for Rideau! Hip hip!
Hi, Tom. Representing our Canoe Club is the future. This is our Adam TV Bantam, who will be representing our club in the future at the Canadian Championship, the World Championship, and the World Championship. Welcome at the Rideau Canoe Club, and I'm always an old club, but the new club is going to allow the Rideau Canoe Club to move into the future. And I can't wait for London, because I know that we're going to be up in the middle of the night cheering as our members win Olympic medals. I know that.
These are not my sandals.
They're Paul's, I think, Tom.
What?
Now we can move right over in front of the doors, people upstairs. Tamara, Peggy, do you want special invitations? Stephanie, come on, Stephanie, you're part of this. Come and join us. Are stunning. You must see them. And there's light refreshments upstairs. Young people, please let the adults go and have something first. There's cake, and we're all going to toast in a moment when we get upstairs. So please come and join us upstairs, and thank you so much for all your hard work and your support. It's just the beginning.
Who's asking that?
No. That's like, no. Okay.
You got him? Oh, Tommy's so cute. Tommy has 2 yellow labs at home.
I'm Tommy.
Hey, Tommy.